Hello and welcome to another video tutorial on the pen and the curvature tool. These two tools, you might not use both all the time. I learned how to use the pen more than the curvature tool, so I tend to use the pen, and it has a little bit more control than the curvature. And the curvature, I would say, is a little bit easier to work with when you're new to it. But originally, they didn't have this, so I didn't learn. But I'm going to show you how to use both, and we're going to do some of the same things. First of all, you need to open up this template, and there is a link to the template, and then you got to download it because it's coming from Google Drive. So you'll have to click on the link, then you're going to have to go to the upper right and download it. Now, this curvature tool, so let's start off with the pen. We're going to use these grid lines, so please go View and Show Grid. Mine says Hide Grid because it's already up. Then we're going to zoom in, and I'm going to go Control Plus, a whole bunch. And I'm going to get to the layer. So I'm going to grab the hand tool and I'm going to get to the layer right here. So it is at the zigzag pen. I'm a little too zoomed in, so I'm going to hit Control minus once so that I can see the entire thing. So we're going to use these grid lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a perfect zigzag. I do not want a fill, and I only want a line color, and I'm going to change my line color to red. Okay. And all I'm going to do is click on a point of a major grid line, and I let go. My finger is not on the mouse, but I move the mouse, and then I just click once there. And I click once here. It should be super easy. You do not click and drag for points. So for smooth points, you do not click and drag. I'm going to go to the black arrow tool, okay, to click away so that I can start with a new one. Then I'm going to go to my pen tool, and this was where it gets tricky. Okay, so you have to imagine what I'm doing with my hand because you can't see my hand. I'm going to click and I'm going to hold down the mouse right now. And you see these two handles determine the curve. So I'm going to pull out sideways and keep it parallel to the point. And I'm going to let go once I get out 4 minor grid lines. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. And notice, imagine my finger is held down the whole time. Then I let go. I move up here, and then when I click here, I don't just click. I've got to click and hold it down. And I'm going to drag out 1, 2, 3, 4 minor grid lines. And you could do it with 3. You could do it as long as they're the same every time because we want our waves to look symmetrical and perfect. So I let go there, I click and I hold it. My finger is pressing down on the mouse. I drag it for 4, and I'm dragging it to the right, obviously. Drag it for right, I let go, I move it to the top, I click and hold it down, and I let go once I've got it at 4. And this is what happens when you just click and then you click and drag. You see how that changed it? So then I'm going to go Control Z if I made a mistake like that, up until I get to there, and then I'm going to go click and drag and hold it down for 4. So those are perfect waves. I'm going to go to the black arrow tool and let go. Okay, so now I'm going to make like waves that would be on the ocean, in that we're going to alternate between a click and drag and just a click. So it's kind of a combo of this one and this one. So on this one, I'm going to grab my pen tool, and on the bottom one, I'm going to click and drag for 4, fingers held down. And then on the top one, I'm only going to click and move. And then I'm going to click and drag for 4. And I'm only going to click and drag for 4. And I'm only going to click. And then I'm going to click and drag for 4, dragging to the right. I don't let go till it's perfect. And then I'm good. And then I grab the black arrow tool to click away. And now you see I've got a zigzag with my pen, perfect waves, and then I got alternating wave and point. But now we're going to do perfect waves with the curvature tool. So this one, all you have to do is just click. And you see how it changes for you. So I'm only clicking with the curvature tool. And I'm just going to click away. And you see I've got perfect waves with just the curvature tool. Super easy. Then I've got the curvature down here. And so the curvature works the opposite way. You click, you just click when you want to curve. And then when I go up here, I'm going to alt click for a point. Regular click, alt click. Regular click, hold the alt key down, click, let go of the alt key. Regular click, alt click. And there you can see how we can do our simple points. And then if you wanted, you could take the white arrow tool and drag over the top points and then just drag them over. And it looks like a wave. I'll move this guy down so I don't grab my... And then I can just drag those over with the white arrow tool. So that is how you use the pen and the curvature tool. Thanks for watching.